To keep your documents safe, go to Google Drive. As you can see on the screen, it's opening. Okay. So it's loading. All right. I have different account. So depending on a Gmail account that you have, so you can change it from there. Now this one is opening now. So when it opens, what you simply do, you tap on this plus sign. Once you tap on this plus sign, you can see the options here. To create folder, you click on this, it will create the folder for you. Okay, you just name it and then you click create. So you have created a folder. Example of folders are what we are seeing up. So to upload files, you just click this. Okay, so to make your Google Drive well organized, you create folder for different documents that are related together. So these are the options. It will take you to your gallery, your storage. So you can see different options here. You can see gallery, you can see photo, you can see WordPress. That is depending on where the document is saved. So what we do simply is just to, an example, tap one of the items. You can see that it's preparing to upload. Okay. So once it is uploaded successfully, then that document is saved for life. Because Google Drive, any items that is saved in Google Drive is saved in the cloud storage, and you can access it anywhere you go. All you need to do is open your Google Drive. If you have multiple Gmail accounts, just select the Gmail that you have by tapping the icon at the top, and then you can select the Gmail account where the item is stored, and then you can go to the folder, open the folder, and then you can access the documents. So this way you can save your document, your video, your Word document, PDF file, any document at all. You can save it there for life and you can access it from anywhere. Thank you very much. This is how to save your document and you won't have need to be looking for it. Alternatively is to upload them, send it as a message to another email that you have from one email to the other. Once you do that as well, it will be saved in the cloud. For example, you can send from one Gmail to the other. Once you do that as well, it is saved because your Gmail is tied to a Google Drive. So that is a cloud storage space for you. So with that, you are saved, your documents are saved, and you can access it anytime you like. Thank you very much.